What makes a great company? What makes a world-class supplier of generators and motors? At TDPS, we believe it comes down to people. The highly skilled and disciplined men and women who devote their working lives to produce world-class generators and motors that power the world. People, craftsmanship and technology, combined with unwavering commitment and constant attention to detail, resulting in consistently high quality, reliable, and trouble-free machines. That's what we stand for, and that's what we deliver from our state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities in Bangalore, India.
My goal when I started TDPS was to produce the best quality machine that would compete against the world leaders in the industry. I always knew very early on that it wasn't just about technology and wasn't just about having the best production machines. It was actually about having really strong human values inside the company. But above all, I think what was really important for me was to inculcate a really strong value system inside the company. And this value system, combined with technology and, let's say, great production machinery, I realized would be our way to achieve my goal of producing the best quality machines.
TDPS was founded in 1999. Ever since then, we produce custom designed and tailor-made generators for steam, gas, hydro, and wind turbines, diesel and gas engines, as well as solar, geothermal, and special applications. We also manufacture synchronous and induction motors designed to suit various industrial applications while delivering high performance with greater reliability and efficiency. TDPS has more than 5,700 successful installations in 101 countries across the world. From our global headquarters in India, we ensure close collaboration with our overseas sales offices in Germany, the US, Japan, as well as with our manufacturing facility in Turkey. We ensure that you get a continued customer support with 57 service centers worldwide. Technology is essential, but finally, it is people. Our team doesn't give up on challenges and work together to deliver what we have promised. Higher standards of quality and collaboration with our customers is what ultimately creates the TDPS brand and legacy. We work hard to make sure that people don't have to think about generators. When yet another generator leaves the factory in Bangalore, it reflects excellence, quality, and reliability. At TDPS, we make world-class generators and motors for you.
TDPS is the future.